I bought this 1994 BMW 325 IS for extremely cheap, and I'm in the process of transforming it, turning it into an M3, but with a twist. What I've come to realize about this car is that it's in worse shape than I initially thought, but I am determined to bring it back from its former glory and transform it and make it better than it's ever been. When I first saw this car, I knew immediately that this was going to be the car that was going to start my YouTube journey.
But it has been sitting for, God, dude, I can't even tell you how long. It's been hanging out at my house.
And it's been an interesting journey since then. If you haven't gotten a chance to go in and watch the first 3 videos, please do so, where I go into full detail. I show the good and also the bad.
Ooh, brother, ooh.
We'll see how it fits and then kind of go from there. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love the interaction. I respond to every comment down below, and it's actually been really helpful. A lot of people have given me tips, ideas, thoughts, and I really appreciate it. But in this video, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. If you're familiar with the odd sensation called ASMR,
No! God, please, no!
then you will love this how-to install video, ASMR style. You will also see where I make a fatal mistake that's gonna cost me a lot of time and money down the road when it comes time to paint and body work. But you'll see, stay tuned. So grab your popcorn, grab a drink, whatever beverage, and watch this install video, ASMR style.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because